more disciplined. You sleep with a prostitute too much. Are you aware your brother is sleeping with a prostitute?
Not really, brother. Sometimes he doesn't come back home, so.
You will in future get money more than him. But he's more disciplined than you. On our body discipline, your own is bomb of the prostitutes.
Boy, okuchara pacha, okuchara pacha.
Umabu wambiarano. Amuma bakarakamo. Onye na chum na chiku. Onye na chum na chiku. Uwamu na chimusa kao. Agwa turumbe turobokoro nelu. Agwa turumbe turobokoro. Samuna chimusa ganu. Muna chimusa gao. Muna chimusa ganu. Amuma kam ne buru mummo. Amuma kam ne buru chim. Amuma kam ne buru chim. Nebia, you have a good heart. God will bless your home. You have a good heart. God will bless your home. You have a good heart. Nabia, come stand up. Where is your mom? Oh, we have a narrow. She's having emotion of that.
Every day.
She has been moving up there.
Brother, he's sending money every day to the hospital.
Somebody sent arrow in the body of your mother. Where is the senior brother?
Yeah, I'm here.
Huh?
Spending money every day.
You are spending money for your mother.
Yes.
Have I talked to you before? Somebody sent arrow in the body of your mom. As I'm going to give oil in your mouth now, spiritually it will enter your mother's mouth. And something will happen. The arrow will go back to sender. Open your hand. Stop sleeping with the prostitutes. You sleep with the prostitute too much. Are you aware your brother is sleeping with a prostitute?
Not really, brother. Sometimes he doesn't come back home, so.
Amuma kejiri tuoi mem. Amuma kejiri mwam. Amuma kejiri tuoi mem. Amuma kam ne buri boni na. Achumu kiri 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 na luwa. Onwere onye mriri ke deberie. Now, they want to kill your mother. But those people that want to kill your mother will die. Your brother is trying. He's hustling. But you even have more destiny than him. But all the more disciplined than you.
It's true. It's true. Very well. Very well.
You will in future get money more than him. But he's more disciplined than you. On our body discipline, your own is bomb of the prostitutes.
Boy, okuchara pacha, okuchara pacha.
As I drop this oil, those that send arrow in the body of your mother, let them die. Me pono. We don't power. Oh, a great man. Mananda shabu egwu. Jidiaka. Jide say you can power. Jidia power. Jide say you can. Ekwela koda. Ruala. Jide ofuma. Jide say you can. Jide ofuma. Rom jebu amama. Oru mgbe m je teacher. Obia, peba. Oru mgbe m je teachers. Amụma mara m n'afọ nne m. Amụma mara m n'afọ nne m. Amụma mara m n'afọ nne m. Na power. You're a good guy. Oru mgbe m je bụ amụma nụ. Amụma ka m na-eburu Igbo niile. Amụma ka m na-eburu Igbo. Gịnị ka m mere iro n'ụwa? Achụ m kirikirikiri nụ. Ada m va. YouTube. Na. Ada m va n'elu ụwa. Ndị ọkọọtụ si na mbụ headache ha. Ndị dibịa si na mbụ headache ha. Ndị ise nwaanyị si na mbụ headache ha. Ndị amụma sikwu na mbụ headache ha. Achụ m kirikirikiri nụ. Onye riri ka m debere ya. Amụma Chibu nyere m ka m na-ebu. Amụma ka ejiri m nna ihe enwe ezigbo ego. Listen to me, na-ele m anya. You will have a big money if you are disciplined. Your brother is more careful than you. He will have money. But if you train what is in you, you will expand in future more than him. But if you don't get sense, he will continue to be higher. Oh my, here is a good brother to you. Eh? Yes. Oh, iberi ibekete. Huh?
She go to the seminar school before.
Oh, he has a good heart, and God will bless you. Your mother will not die. In Jesus' holy name. Amen.